The following are the most expensive neighborhoods in the Los Angeles area. The median sales prices in these luxurious neighborhoods is over $2 million. Number 1. Santa Monica, the section north of Montana. The city of Santa Monica is one of the most desirable places to live in Los Angeles. Many homes boast views of the Santa Monica Mountains and the Pacific Ocean. Number 2. Hidden Hills in the West San Fernando Valley. Hidden Hills is a luxury city and gated community known for its very affluent residents and secluded living. Many homeowners enjoy expansive lots with lush landscaping. Number 3. Bel Air. Bel Air lies north of Sunset Boulevard and is an outstanding choice to buy a luxury home. Bel Air is one of the 3 affluent neighborhoods in the Platinum Triangle. The other 2 are Beverly Hills and Holmby Hills. Number 4. The Hills section in Manhattan Beach. This neighborhood attracts younger, wealthy residents and features some of the best ocean views in Manhattan Beach with instant access to nightlife and surfing. Number 5. Sand section in Manhattan Beach. The sand section runs along the coast of the entire city. It's popular for its distinctive walkable streets, bike paths, fine restaurants, and oceanfront homes. Number 6. Pacific Palisades. Located north of Santa Monica, east of Brentwood, and south of Malibu, Pacific Palisades continues to be desirable for its family-friendly environment and impressive views. Number 7. Malibu. Malibu is known for its beachfront lots that provides homeowners of multi-million-dollar properties views of the ocean and mountains. Residents enjoy over 26 miles of gorgeous coastline with pristine beaches. Number 8. El Porto neighborhood in Manhattan Beach. This area in the north end of Manhattan Beach is an eclectic community with mostly new and modern homes. It's an ideal spot for surfers and outdoor activities.